Hey Rebels, it's Lex Ravenna here. Welcome back to Revenue's Rebellion, where rebels rise and revenue follows. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button, my love, because around here, we don't just talk about money. You break it all the way down, especially the things nobody's teaching you in school. Today, we're unpacking why financial literacy is the #1 skill kids need. A simple business model that any kid could start to learn money management. The shocking truth about generational wealth and how to flip the script for your family. 8 expert tips and tools to start raising money-smart kids, whether you're a parent, older sibling, or future mentor. The insights we're diving into today could change the way you think forever. Look, we spend years teaching kids how to find the area of a trapezoid. Like, what even is a trapezoid, y'all? But barely any time teaching them what a budget is, how compound interest works, or why bad debt is a trap. And that's not just a nice to have, it's a survival skill. The world we're living in today is built on money. Whether you want to build a business, buy a house, invest in yourself, or just breathe a little easier, money literacy matters. Studies show kids who understand money 2 times more likely to build wealth in adulthood, 60% less likely to rack up high-interest debt, and they report higher happiness levels later in life. Financially literate kids become empowered adults. And empowered adults? They change the game for themselves and for the generations after them. Okay, now let's get tactical, y'all. Here's a real, simple business model any kid, yes, even an 8-year-old, could use to start grasping basic money skills. The Lemonade Stand 2.0, but modernized. Step 1. Teach them to create a product or service. Anything from selling custom bracelets, mowing lawns, to creating digital art for friends. Step 2. Teach them pricing basics. What are their costs? What's their profit? Step 3. Teach them reinvestment. Instead of spending every dollar they earn, they put part of it back into growing their little business. Step 4. Teach them marketing, even if it's just posting their work on social media or telling family and friends. Step 5. Teach them about saving and goals. Set aside money for short-term fun and long-term wins. Why does this work? Because it teaches real-life money management with actual emotions attached. Saving becomes exciting. Earning becomes empowering. Spending becomes intentional. Here's the part no one's really talking about. Generational wealth, it's about knowledge. It's about teaching kids what to do with $100 before they inherit $100,000. Without financial education, money gets lost fast. A wealthy family without financial literacy typically loses its wealth by the 2nd generation. By the 3rd generation, 90% of inherited wealth is usually gone. Sourced from Williams Group Wealth Consultancy. It sounds unbelievable, but it's true. That's why teaching kids about money early isn't optional. It's the ultimate act of love. And the earlier you start, the more normal and powerful it feels for them. I'm about to drop bombs. Now would be an amazing time to like this video, Rebels. All right, now for the practical gems. Here are 8 quick expert tips and tools for raising financially smart kids, even if you're just starting. Loves. 1. Normalize money conversations. Don't make money a scary, secretive topic. Talk about saving, investing, spending, openly, casually, and often. 2. Give them hands-on experiences. Allowance? Great. Small chores for pay? Even better. Gamify it. Let them set a savings goal and reward progress when they hit 3. Introduce investing young. Apps like Greenlight or Acorns Early let you introduce kids to investing with real money safely. Let them pick a stock or a company they like and track its growth. 4. Teach opportunity cost. Every dollar spent is a dollar not saved or invested. Let them practice trade-offs. If you buy this now, what are you giving up later? 5. Model good behavior. Kids don't listen to what you say. They watch what you do. Save openly. Budget openly. Share your financial goals and the steps you're taking to reach them. 6. Celebrate small wins. When kids save a certain amount, reach a goal, or make a smart money choice, celebrate it. Positive reinforcement builds strong financial habits that feel rewarding, not restrictive. 7. Teach them the difference between assets and liabilities. Even at a young age, explain that some things, like investments, put money in your pocket, while others, like expensive toys, take money out. Use real-world examples they can relate to. 8. Encourage an entrepreneurial mindset. Support side hustles. Help them brainstorm ways they can create value, whether it's selling crafts, walking dogs, or reselling sneakers. Learning how to earn is just as important as learning how to save. So Rebels, here's the bottom line, my loves. If you want to raise smart, resilient, powerful kids, teach them about money. Not just how to make it, but how to respect it, grow it, and multiply it. Financial literacy isn't just a bonus anymore. It's a life skill, and the sooner we normalize that, the stronger the next generation will be. If you found this video helpful, drop a comment below and share one financial tip you wish you had learned earlier. Till next time, Rebels, stay smart, stay savage, and stay rebellious. Subscribe for more Money Rebellion tips.